Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to use your NCB Miles. So you'll first have to download the NCB Miles app, and you can download it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. So once you have downloaded the app, you're going to open it. And if you're using it for the very first time, you'll see a screen that looks like this, where they will basically just ask that you enter your email address. Now, this email address is the one that's associated with your bank account. So once you enter your email address, you're going to select this little icon here, and what they will basically do is to send you a link in your email, and that link is to basically to get a password set for the Miles app. So once you have done all of that, you're going to log in, and because I already have an account created, I am going to log in to show you where you would go from there to check your NCB Miles points. Okay, so now that you're logged in, you should see a screen that looks like this. So you'll see some options. You'll see go travel, my transactions, buy miles, my balance, and below that you'll see my account and about miles. Now sometimes when you log in, this screen will not be visible right away. So if you log in and you're not seeing those options, all you have to do is to click on this icon in the middle section here towards the bottom of the screen, this little icon, and once you click on it, you'll be able to see those options appearing. Now, in order to view your miles or to use your miles, all you have to do is to select my account. From my account, you're going to select my wallet. And once you select my wallet, you'll see an icon that looks like a credit card. So all you have to do is to just click on the credit card icon. And once you do that, you'll see more information being available or being shown on the credit card. So this time you'll see a card number that you can actually use. You'll see the expiration date for the card, and you'll also see a CVV number. So if you would like to use the points online, you can actually use this card information to do so. If you look towards the top right section of the screen as well, you'll be able to see the amount of points or miles you have so far. Right here, it's at the top section of the screen. Now we can go back to the main menu. Then you select the icon in the middle section here. We're going to see our transaction. So if you select my transaction, you'll actually be able to see a brief history of your transaction, or you'll see brief transaction history for your card. Anyways guys, this was just my really quick tutorial on how to use your NCB Miles points. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more.